Hello, how to raise broiler chickens at home for faster growth and bigger profit. Many poultry farmers are raising broilers the wrong way and losing money every single day. But today, I will show you how to raise healthy, fast-growing broiler chickens right from your home, even if you are a beginner, and how to grow them bigger for maximum profit. If you watch this video till the end, you will learn the exact secrets successful poultry farmers use to reduce mortality, increase growth, speed, and make more money from broiler farming. Yes, many poultry farmers will always tell you they don't make profit from poultry farming, they don't make profit from broiler farming. Broiler is too difficult to make profit. No, you are not doing it the right way. Number one, prepare a very good housing system. Not ordinary house. Broiler house is different from layers house, different from turkey and other poultry beds. Broiler is a meat bed, so they need high protein and fat for you to get the maximum benefit. And this high protein and fat makes their body always hot, so they are prone to stress and diseases. So the first thing is to prepare a very good housing system that will accommodate them very well. The first secret to successful broiler farming is proper housing. Your broilers need a very clean, dry and well ventilated environment. Never overcrowd your beds because overcrowding causes stress, disease and slow growth. Use wood shavings or dry litter on the floor to keep the pen dry and comfortable for them always. Cold and wet floor can kill chicks quickly, especially during the first 2 weeks of life. And if you are in the rainy season, make sure fresh air enters the pen, but avoid cold winds directly on the chicks. It's not good for them at all. Secondly, buy quality day-old chicks. If you need quality day-old chicks, send me a message on my WhatsApp line. The number is on the screen. I will give you solid first grade day-old chicks. The price may differ from what you normally get, because those ones, most of the time they give you anything 50-50. You lose 50 and gain 50, but this one you are going to get maximum result. Not all chicks grow the same way. If you want fast growing and bigger profit, start with healthy day-old chicks from a trusted hatchery and trusted agent. Healthy chicks are active, bright-eyed, and make sharp sounds. Avoid weak or sleepy chicks because they may not perform well for you at all. Later time, you see them dying one after the other. Good chicks are the foundation of profitable poultry farming. 3. Brooding, the most important stage of your poultry life. The first 14 days can determine whether your broiler succeed or fail. During brooding, chicks need enough warmth. If chicks are too cold, they gather together tightly. And if they gather together, they are going to stampede the ones that are on the floor. If they are too cold or too hot, they move far away from the heat source and they pant and breathe from their mouth. The right temperature helps chicks eat and grow faster. Always provide clean water immediately the chicks arise. Give them glucose or any energy drink. You can add glucose and vitamins during the first few days. If possible, the first 1 week is good also. If you have energy, organic substance, you give it to them also. Like banana plantain flour, they are all good. Pineapple skin, cook it and give it to them also. They are good for them also. Number 4 is feeding for faster growth. Not all the feeding are for faster growth. There are a special feed for faster growth. Feed is the engine of your broiler growth. To get fast growth, you must give the right feed at the right stage. Starter feed is used during the early stage of their life. Super starter is what I normally use. I make my own feed and I produce super starter 23 to 24% crude protein, and I make 5 to 6% fat. This gives me faster, immediate growth at the early stage. So to get fast growth, you must give the right feed at the right stage of their life. Starter feed is used during the early weeks to help strong body development. Later, you go to grower or finisher, which helps increase weight quickly. Never allow feeders to become empty for long period. Clean water must always be available because broilers drink a lot of water, and if without water they cannot eat. Healthy broilers eat well and drink well and grow fast. Stage 5. Use organic growth support. Here we use our Eco Bio Booster. This is the 5 liter. This is the 3 liter. This is 35,000. This is 55,000. This can serve for 500 birds. This can serve for 200 birds. With here, we don't say this to far distance farmers. This is for those that only come to the farm to buy it. If you are far a distance, you buy 5 liters because of the logistics issues. Product like Eco Bio Booster is good. It's organic support that helps support better growth, stronger immunity, and improve feed conversion ratio. When birds stay healthier, they use feed more efficiently and gain massive weight in short period of time. Healthy birds means fast growth, low mortality, and high profit. This is why smart poultry farmers focus on both feeding and natural health support. Number 6, keep the pen clean always. It's very important. Dirty poultry pen attract disease very quickly. Remove weight litters completely, immediately, and don't allow any part of the pen to be weight. Please, it's very important. Wash drinkers and feeders regularly to help you to maintain this sanity in your poultry house. Good hygiene reduces mortality and helps birds grow without stress. Many poultry farmers allow their poultry birds to get sick and they start treating it. They lose most of these birds, and if they don't lose them, most of them, once they are contaminated, once they're infected, you start spending money on the treatment, because bad feed is bad result and poor sanitation also. Number 7, prevent diseases early. Disease prevention is cheaper than treatment. Follow proper vaccination schedule. Limit unnecessary visitors inside your poultry house. Very important. Separate sick birds immediately. If you need or discover any weakness or strange behavior in your poultry house, always separate those ones that you know that are very weak. Healthy broilers grow faster and reach market weight very early. How to make bigger profit in your poultry farm. Now, this is the hook of the whole thing. The secret to making bigger profit is very simple. Give your birds probiotics and grow healthy birds quickly and reduce loss. The faster your birds reach market weight, the faster you recover your money. If they stay too longer in your poultry house, they eat almost all your profit. Good management, proper feeding, clean water, and strong health support will always increase your profit in your poultry farm. Even small-scale farmers can make good money from broiler farming if they manage their birds very well and properly. My fellow farmers, if you have watched this video, poultry farming is not just about raising chickens. It is about raising healthy birds that bring profit to you. Do not give up because of challenges you face, because of high mortality, because of things around your farm. Every successful poultry farmer started very small, just some, even 6 birds, some 10, some 50. No matter how small you start, starting well is better than not starting at all. With the right knowledge and proper management, you can grow massive broiler right from your home and build a profitable poultry business. If you found this video very helpful for you in your business, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel. If you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our poultry farming secrets. Do yourself good and join our channel membership so that you can get unlimited assistance on how to run your poultry farming profitably. Drop your questions in the comment section and let me know where you are watching from. See you in the next video and keep growing beyond expectations. Thank you. Bye for now.